Coming into turns 3 and 4, one final time this year. Green flag gonna drop on your O'Reilly Auto Parts Sport Truck. And we're on their way. Jake Beaver's jumping out to an early lead. Oh, and Johnson's around and Gerber around on the backstretch, and Storm Johnson does a good job of not running into his dad.
Left or on that right front. I'm glad it wasn't. So
coming into 3 and 4 one more time. And she starts out. Caldwell with a much better start that time. Looking to take the lead from Beaver as they head into 3 and 4. Bob Johnson moving under the 29 Lucius. Lucius takes third from Johnson. Out front now, Caldwell looking to run away, but Lucius is right there. 13 laps to go. Caldwell, I think he popped the left rear tire maybe. This is pit road and the yellow flag will come out. Coming down into the Dynamite Performance Tuning. Oh, we already did that. I'm sorry, the Rock Dog Restart Zone. Still had it up on the screen there, so caught my eye. As soon as they hit this line here, they can go and Lucius accelerate. We're on our way. Got a really good restart. That opened up the bottom for Barney Gerber, and he couldn't get it done underneath Jake Beaver. That 17 truck's been really good the last half of the season, too. Yeah, Barney was moving up through the heat race. Johnson loose out of the corner. Caldwell to the outside of him now. 5 laps in, 10 to go for Mark Lucius. Stretch he comes. Top little flags up this time for Mark Lucius. Caldwell and Johnson rounding out the field. that off the list in a late model. We checked it off.